Hey guys, this is Joseph and today I'll be unboxing Blu-ray disc. This will be the Anima Volume 1 version. It's actually first of my video unboxing Blu-ray disc. Previously I've been doing unboxing video for figures, scale figures, and now this is my first time unboxing this. I'll just let you guys have a quick look on what's inside the box. Okay, so let's get to it. This is it. This is from what you can see the front page of the Blu-ray disc. Anima Volume 1. This is the back of the box. That's how it looks like, and then the side view of the box. It's a Volume 1 version, and nothing much here. Okay, alright. Without wasting any time, let's unbox it. So at first, we're going to unbox it from here. I think that's about it. Is there? All this plastic off. Alright. And okay. Okay. Oh, what's inside? Oh! Right. As you know, okay, this is a keychain. So two of the main characters. Alright, that's how it looks like. Then I think inside is nothing. Alright, there you have it. This will be the box for the Blu-ray disc, front page of it. And the back, oh, it's nothing. Alright, let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, this is the Volume 1 disc. Alright, this is basically the music year collection for the anime, and this will be the booklet, I suppose. So you see how it looks like. Okay. Oh, it's a manga version. Alright, I don't know how to read Japanese. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Oh, not bad. Alright. Alright, I think that's about it. This you have one bullet, and then the keychain, and then this one, and the outside cover, and inside the case. Okay, I think that's about it. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video.